Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and just wanted to let you know that I've been organizing my playing cards. I had them in these little library containers. I'll just do a quick pan across my room here. This is they're like library catalog card catalogs, mini ones, vintage ones that those drawers come in. Okay, coming back. All right, so yeah. Playing cards. Anyway, I had them just kind of shoved in here, and it was my goal to kind of get them organized, and wow, I did, and I'm super happy with it. And look at all these lovely vintage playing cards. So I have a lot bigger collection than I realized I had until I kind of got them all in one place. So I'll just kind of show you the ones I have. Oh, I've got a Scotland and ducks. I don't know why there's so many. I think that was in like maybe the 80s when they had all those duck playing cards. And that one, this one, and then that's just one kind of plain one. And then I have some newer cards. So these are gratitude cards. They're really pretty. I got these at Five Below. But anyway, they're just like floral, botanical playing cards. Super cute. These are Ellen, like the TV show. Not really sure. Oh, that's weird. That one's like the same on both sides. Are they all like that? No. Okay. Don't know why. They just have one like that. Anyway, tabloid art. So 52 silly things to do out of the blue. So then they have like the card and then directions on the back. So those are kind of fun. These are Scrabble cards for sunrise. I forget. Oh, these are romantic movies. So those cards are really cool looking. They're all kind of really neat little borders. These are cool. This is like kind of a gaming kind of a card, but they look very vintage, and so I picked them up. Oh, good old Cracker Barrel. Camo. Some Las Vegas discontinued playing cards. States. Pocket Trivia. Movie stars. Those are really fun. And some animals and author cards. These are really nice. And president cards and some old, oh, this is a game of hearts. Actually, the backs of these are really pretty. So anyway, I got them all jammed in there, and it's a lot. And just so you know, I'm doing this one-handed. So I'm taking a selection of just the vintage cards, and I have 24 of them that I'm going to sell on my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and check that out. So yeah, I'll leave the link to that listing for the vintage cards in the description below. So just a real short video on how I was organizing those, and I hope you found this helpful. So as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.